How to turn on or turn off Sync Samsung Internet Bookmarks on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the Internet app. Then tap on the menu button at the bottom. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to tap on Sync with Samsung Cloud. Tap on the left-hand side panel. Make sure it is turned on at the top here. Then we go down and tap on the Bookmarks toggle button to turn off or switch on Bookmarks Sync for the Samsung Internet app. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your web page or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.